Hello fellow rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to do a quick video for you on what the USDA Hardiness Map is for the United States. So that map is an average of temperatures, so that when commercial growers are putting out a plant, let's say this rose right here, it has been tested to be hardy down to a certain temperature, whether that's -10 or people down in zone 4 will know that they can grow it and it should thrive through the winter. For me, for the past decade, I've been zone 7B. And zone 7B typically gets down to, 15 to maybe 20 degrees or so. What a huge surprise I had this week when I found out, checking the USDA Hardiness Map, that I am zone 8 now. How exciting. I mean, I know that it's been getting warmer. And so you want to go out to the Hardiness Map every couple of years. And I think it changes about every 10 years or so. So put in your zip code, 22236, whatever your zip code is, and then, Google hardiness growing, whatever keywords you're using, Hardiness Map, and it should pull back whatever your zone is. And just make sure that it's the same every year. I think that for my mom, who is an hour and a half away, her zone didn't change, but for me it did. And I know that I have been able to kind of push my zone a little bit. I really love fragrant tea olive, and it says that it is only hardy down to zone 8, but for the past 3 years or so, I've been able to grow it. So I'm really excited about now looking at zone 8 plants to seeing what else I can grow here. And so the only thing that I want to add is that although our temperatures don't typically go below whatever that average is that they've pulled together for my hardiness zone, I know that last year I may have lost a few roses because it went below. I had one day that it went below whatever my average temps are. That might happen. And it can happen. But those hardiness zone maps and those temps are pulled together from an average. So just be aware of that. And I think that they are pulling together hardiness map zones to show what the average high temps are too. Because right now, typically you're only going to see those low temps calculated and averaged. But I think that they're going to be pulling together in the future hardiness maps that show for each zone what the average high temps are too. So make sure that you check that for your zone, and just, during the winter when you're preparing for your rose orders, check and see if your zone has changed just prior to any orders to see if there's any change to your growing zone. And Dolores wants to say hello to everybody. She is new to our family. She just joined us from Utah, and she's a golden retriever, and she's just so happy to be gardening in zone 8 with us. So thank you so much for joining me, Rosebuds. I will see you in the next video.